Imagine your mind as a private, fertile garden, a space of infinite potential waiting to be cultivated. Every single thought that crosses your mind is a seed. Some are dropped there by chance, carried on the winds of conversation or the media you consume. Others, you plant with deliberate intention. Your thoughts are seeds. You grow what you consistently water, what you choose to focus on, what you give your energy to. That is the water that will determine which seeds sprout and which lie dormant. But not all seeds serve us. If left untended, this garden can quickly become overrun. Fear grows weeds, choking out the light with their frantic, tangled growth. Doubt grows walls, thick and thorny hedges that block your path and obscure the horizon, convincing you that you are trapped. These negative patterns, if watered by attention, will take root and spread, depleting the soil of its richness. So, consider the quality of your water. Every day you feed your mind, with media, with voices, with inner talk. Is the information you consume nourishing and clean, or is it polluted with negativity and comparison? The voices you listen to, both from others and from yourself, do they encourage growth, or do they sow seeds of insecurity? This daily nourishment is the soil and water of your mental landscape. To cultivate a beautiful garden, you must also be a vigilant guardian. This means learning to prune. It means setting boundaries, consciously choosing what you allow to enter your sacred space. Guard your thoughts like a garden. Uproot the weeds of self-criticism before they take hold. Prune the branches of endless scrolling and comparison that drain your energy. Curating your attention is an act of profound self-respect. And in the space you create, you invite the sun. If you feed anxiety, it blooms into dark, thorny flowers. But if you feed courage, it blooms too, vibrant and resilient. Self-belief grows gardens, lush and overflowing with life. Gratitude is the sunlight that warms the soil, encouraging even the most timid seeds to reach for the sky. Celebrate your small wins. They are the first blossoms of a thriving ecosystem. Your mind becomes what you plant. So, plant with purpose. Plant ideas that nourish your future. What do you want to harvest a year from now? Plant the seeds of that vision today. The seed of learning a new skill. The seed of a healthier habit. The seed of a kinder relationship with yourself. This doesn't require a grand overhaul overnight. It begins with a single, simple action. Today, feed your mind one brave thought. Water one hopeful idea. Choose one belief that empowers you and give it your full, undivided attention, even for just a moment. Then, be patient, be consistent, and watch what grows.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.